Hi guys, this is gsm.com and I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 for a quick hands-on. So as you probably know, the core selling point of the device is obviously the set of 4 cameras at the back side. The handset is priced at around $400 to $600, and here we are here with its debut, a local debut. So let's see how we are doing. Okay, so let's fire it up, access the internet and get on gsm.com. So things to remember: the phone was recently launched and it inaugurated the 4 cameras in the mix. So which 4 cameras we're dealing with, I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so there's a combo of 24 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera, 10 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel camera, each of them with a different purpose. You can see them at the back side. These are the 4 cameras, and the main one is the 24 megapixel camera. There's the ultra wide 8 megapixel camera, and there's the telephoto 10 megapixel camera, and the depth sensor 5 megapixel unit. LED flash, panorama and HDR are also available. Now the handset you're seeing here is a Android Oreo based one. It runs skinned Android Oreo, of course, and it also comes with a 6.3-inch screen, Super AMOLED, of course. And let's go and try to tweak it a bit. Okay, you can use widgets. And the Super AMOLED 6.3-inch screen has a resolution of 2220 over 1080 pixels. There's Android Oreo in the mix. There's also a Snapdragon 660 CPU inside and 128 gigabytes of storage, plus 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM and a microSD card slot. For the selfies, there's a pretty impressive 24 megapixel camera with HDR. It's also available here. There's Wi-Fi, there's Bluetooth 5.0, there's an USB Type-C port at the bottom, there's an audio jack, of course, and several other things. Now it's got a fingerprint scanner on the back side. It's placed here right next to the 4 cameras, and the handset is supposed to offer you a variety of features, including bokeh, including ultra-wide panoramas. It also has a 3800 mAh lithium-ion non-removable battery, and of course I'm going to get into the camera interface. Here we go. And these are the modes you can use on the device. You got the scene optimizer, you got the live focus, and let's try to get into some of them. Okay, now some of the modes here include this one, so you can actually opt between the cameras, choose varieties of angles. Got your live focus, which is basically the famous bokeh. Auto scene optimizer is also here, and here you can actually see which resolution you're using, which clearly shows you are dealing with an array, a set of cameras, 24 megapixels, and as I mentioned before, 8, 10, 5 megapixels. These are some of the options we're going to be using. You can film up to 4K, and of course the handset is made of glass at the back, glass at the front, metal frame in between, and that's it in a nutshell. Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 with a big front 24 megapixel camera and 4 megapixel cameras at the back side. And the colors are pretty interesting. You can actually see them around me. We got this beautiful red, we got the black version, and we also have the blue version, which is somewhere around there. Okay, so this has been it from gsm.com. This has been the presentation of the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. Bye bye.